Hello friends, welcome to delicious recipe. In this video we are going to make mug cake in pressure cooker. Let's start our recipe. Firstly, we need to preheat the cooker so that take a cooker and layer it with salt and I am gonna place a plate. You can also use ring or stand and remove vent wall. Let cooker preheat for 10 minutes. Here I have a cup in which we are going to add 2 tablespoons biscuit powder, powdered sugar, condensed milk. After adding condensed milk, we are going to add oil. You can also use butter or ghee. Add vanilla essence and use fork to mix it really well. Now I am going to add chocolate. For vanilla, I am going to add 2 tablespoons of maida, 1 tablespoon sugar, oil, condensed milk, add 2 tablespoon milk, after adding milk we are going to add vanilla essence and mix it properly. Carefully open the pressure cooker. Put mug into pressure cooker. And bake it for 15 minutes.